Hey, it is Monday, May 18th. I'm gonna make some cabbage. I think it's considered like Cajun cabbage. I'm not making a lot of it because this is just the hamburger meat that I had left over from what I made a couple nights ago. But I was like, well, I got some hamburger meat left over. I can just use that in the Cajun cabbage. I already took out the sausage, some of the cabbage, and it's thawing out. I do have, I think, 3 pieces of chicken tenderloin left over from what I made a few days ago. I'm gonna cut that up and put that in it also. Let's get to it. So this is the cabbage. It came out really good, simple, but a quick go-to meal. this is the meal. Just some, I guess you call it herb pasta and chicken. It was so good. It's definitely going to be something that I make all the time as a quick, easy go-to meal. Highly recommend. Even though I haven't been talking, and I will explain that. Not sure when, but can't do this quietly. It's my grocery haul, but my son messed up here. I'm scared to even touch the bag. I'm so freaked out. I'm gonna have to ask somebody to cut this up for me. But this was supposed to be tilapia. What's the word I'm looking for? The pieces of tilapia. My son got whole tilapia. I don't fuck with whole fish. My dad was the one that dealt with that shit. I'm gonna have to ask somebody, one of my neighbors, or there may be somebody else that can cut this up for me, because yeah, no, like and this is my only real meat source for the week, so I need this, but I need somebody to cut it up. Like, no, I don't know. My dad used to. So there's that. And because I use my neti pots for my allergies and just, you know, to breathe better, and I think everybody should use a neti pot. It's amazing. Highly recommend. You can buy the solution already made, but you can also make it at home. I just make it at home. All you need is either boiled or distilled water, kosher salt or Himalaya salt, and baking powder. That's it. Big thing of distilled water, and I only use this for that. Cheap ass body wash. Beggars can't be choosers. I am craving fruity sweets right now. Box of Welch's fruit snack, and this is the berries and cherries. Some Sun Chips Harvest Cheddar. Some Airhead Extremes. I love these. Toilet paper, because I'm gonna make some sandwiches. I already got bread, that's why that's not on here. It's in the freezer, so I didn't need bread. And I only needed one tomato, but he got 3, but I'll just use it in another way. So tomatoes, trio of bell peppers for the sandwiches, sliced pepper jack cheese. And I ran out of this a while ago and just never got any more. But some Tony's Creole seasoning and the rotisserie seasoned chicken breast for the sandwiches. The watermelon Red Bull. I fucking love this. I would say my fave. Between this one and the regular one. And my son messed up here. It was supposed to be the regular, but he said that they didn't have it in the orange. And I was like, you could have just got another color. But I guess he just thought I had to have the orange. And I was like, no, next time if they don't have the color that I put on my list, just get another color, just not 0 sugar. So that means I'm gonna have to mix this, because it's gonna have an aftertaste. I don't fuck with 0 sugar, no sugar added. I don't like aftertaste. So probably gonna have to mix this, but it's fine. Canada Dry fruit splash. And the only other thing that I'm not showing is the Zephyr Hills water, because it's a 35 pack. I had him put that in the pantry already because it's heavy. That's the only thing that is missing. Oh, and there's supposed to be Yoo-hoo, but he said that they didn't have any. Yeah, this is my groceries for the next week. all crazy. My hair looks, haven't done nothing to it since I washed it a few days ago, so it's looking a little crazy. But I'm finally done editing this vlog. I have been trying to edit it for days. I lost my iMovie and I wasn't able to re-download it, and I've been trying these other apps and they just have not been working, and I'm having issues charging my MacBook Pro. It takes hours and I can't touch it while it's charging because then it won't charge, and when I open up iMovie it won't charge. Like, it's a whole thing. And I finally got my iMovie back today, and I've been editing it on iMovie on my iPad, but that's just such a slow, long, tedious process, and I have to transfer every clip over from my camera to my iPad, and that takes forever. The first half of this vlog I actually edited on my iPad, minus the talking part. I edited that on my MacBook Pro, and then the second half I've been sitting here editing it for the last not quite an hour. So I'm finally done. So I wanted to actually say an outro. So I hope that you enjoyed, and I'm sorry that I have not been uploading, and this is why, but I'm back. So I hope that you enjoyed. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.